Hey there, this is Tara with WTI, trying to age as gracefully as I can. So I have been really enjoying using this RoC Deep Wrinkle Nighttime Cream. This nighttime cream really has been a pleasure to use because I like how it comes out in the little small tip so you can proportion it out exactly how much you need for the area that you want. And when I go to put it on my face, I feel like it soaks in really nicely, which is great because nobody wants to have to worry about what gets on your sheets. And I personally did not feel like it had any kind of burning or stinging, even in the sensitive eye area, which was really a plus. And because I have other areas to worry about, I love how I can use it in different parts of my body. It has a really pleasant, fresh scent to me, and afterward, I don't feel like my face feels greasy or shiny. I personally try to look for products that aren't overly harsh on my skin. So I was very, very pleased with this product from RoC, and that is just my point of view.